This is a short video to walk you through the steps of installing R and RStudio for the Reproducible Clinical Data Analysis course. R and RStudio are two separate packages that need to be installed from separate websites. R must be installed before RStudio. So open a browser. In this case, I'm using Microsoft Edge, but you might as well use Chrome. And navigate to cloud.r-project.org. Click on Download R for Windows, and then the link that says Install R for the first time. Then download R 3.4.4 for Windows. And click Run to start the R installer. Yes to allow the app to make changes. Click OK. And then we'll just click Next a couple times. Then click Finish. Next, point the browser to www.rstudio.com/download. So we're interested in the RStudio Desktop open source license, which is free. Click on Download. This makes the page scroll down. From here, select the installer for Windows Vista /7/8/10. When it's finished downloading, click Run. Again, allow the app to make changes, and click Next, and Next, and Next. And click Finish when it's done installing. Now you see two shortcuts on the desktop, and you might think that they are for RStudio, but that's actually not the case, so we'll remove them. Let's put a shortcut to RStudio on the desktop. Click on the window on the bottom left corner, and under Recently Added, you'll see an icon for RStudio. Drag that onto the desktop. Now double-click RStudio to start it, and you'll see the console that tells you that R version 3.4.4 is running, and the environment and files panes. Let's do one more thing. Click on File, New File, R Notebook. You'll get this dialog that asks whether you'd like to install a couple of packages. Packages are R's way to extend its functionality. We'll be working with R notebooks, so we'll need these packages. So click Yes. As a final step, let's install the packages that comprise the tidyverse. The tidyverse is a set of packages for data analysis and graphics in R. We'll make heavy use of the tidyverse in the course. Click on the console to make it visible. The console is the place where you can type in R commands and R will immediately execute them. You can see the little greater than sign followed by the blinking cursor. That's the prompt to enter an R command. The command for installing packages is install.packages. So type install.packages parenthesis quote tidyverse and hit enter. This might take a while, and in some cases R will ask you whether you want to install packages from source. If this should be the case, answer yes. When it's finished installing, the prompt appears again. And that's it. Your computer is now ready for the course.